In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Form in WordPress website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a form you've already built in Google Forms and display it cleanly on any page or post in your WordPress site. First, head over to Google Forms and sign in. On the home page, you'll see your recent forms. Find the form you want to embed and open it. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top. Just make sure you're opening the exact form you want your visitors to fill out. With the form open, look toward the top right. Depending on the current interface, you may see a 3 dots options menu or a send button. Either way, you're looking for the option that lets you embed the form. Click it, then choose Embed HTML. This reveals a short piece of code, an iframe, that displays your live form inside your website. Before copying, you can adjust the width and height values if you want the form to appear wider or taller on your page. Don't worry if you're unsure, you can always tweak these values later. Now click Copy to place the embed code on your clipboard. Next, open your WordPress website and go to the page or post where you want the form to appear. In the WordPress editor, add a custom HTML block and paste the embed code right into that block. If you're using the classic editor, switch to the text or HTML tab before pasting. Many page builders also include an HTML or code widget. Drop one onto your layout and paste the same code there. This is an embed code, not just a regular link, so it needs to go into an HTML area to display properly. Use preview to check how the form looks on your page. If it appears too narrow or too tall, return to the HTML block and adjust the width and height values inside the iframe until it fits nicely with your design. When you're happy with how it looks, save or update the page. That's it. Your Google form is now live on your WordPress site, and any responses submitted through this embedded form will go straight to your Google form responses, just like they would if someone filled it out on the original form page. If the form doesn't display, make sure you pasted the code into an HTML area and that your theme or builder allows iframes. Thanks for watching and enjoy collecting responses directly on your site.